my finger.
Same style
Literally,
game we
like
just played. Look for
literally.
an either or blackout in the top, middle, and bottom face, and single line in the second and fourth face for a $1,000 payout.
Woo, I gotta get
First
my
call
heart
for
rate.
Sports
My heart
Mania
rate.
is in the monitor. Good luck.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. My numbers came right out. I was like, this has got to be mine.
Okay, now playing the side game of the Sports Mania strip. Again, look for an either or blackout in the top, middle, and bottom face, and single line in the second and fourth face. First of all, 36.
That was crazy.
61.
That was so crazy.
30.
I almost got 10,000.
Thank you, last winner.
I did. I almost got 10.
29.
Exactly. Thank you, butterfly kisses. That's what I'm saying.
33.
Exactly. I don't know how you cannot be mad at that. There's no way you can't be mad at that.
65. 23. 21.
Look at 46. I needed 46. On one of the cards I needed 46. I got the 46. Oh, 28, 46.
46.
It still ain't came up. They're daggone 67, 74.
31.
12. 73. 71. 52. 54.
Put Michael back on there. It's so good when Michael was calling. I need two numbers and I haven't.
51.
It was doing great when Michael was calling. Oh, that's the wrong one. On 20. It's another red ball. Come on.
26.
Okay. I need one number. One number. Just call one number. Blue ball. Blue.
14.
Blue. Is that blue behind there?
66. 48. 72. 27. 42.
two blue balls. I need two blue balls. Come on, two blue balls. Same numbers.
68,
Look at that.
47,
What are the blue balls, lady?
55, 70,
Oh my gosh, what are they?
Everyone's
43, 60,
Oh my gosh. Can't be possible.
75,
Oh,
They're not even playing the ones that I think to even try to catch up.
62. Well, possible bingo on 62. Please take your cards.
hey girl, this is crazy.
Side of the room, Heather, second row.
You've got to be shitting me. I've been waiting for 9 and 11 for like, how many numbers was I waiting for 9 and 11? Because I had
At
9 and
least
11
eight.
here.
Yeah.
Like 9 and
The
11
serial number.
here. And she called 47, gave me this whole box. So I was like, okay, I still need 9 or 11.
Yeah.
And she never called it 9 or 11. Oh. I was waiting for 9 or 11. Those are the closest I've gotten all night.
All right, that's a good cover. All 62 in the first space. One good call. Any others? Any other calls to bingo? Going once, going twice.
Not one blue ball. She can
3 times. Game is closed. A wild ride along with your exacta.
I just needed a blue ball, girl. It's crazy.
Couple of sets of wild wide flash. Serial number ending in 6269, 5921, and 3187. All are valid for the wild ride. You are looking for a complete coverall for a $1,000 payoff. We're also playing exacta.